Christmas trees, Christmas lights, the joy is real in my heart tonight. I'm coming home to my family, beautiful as can be. Just in time for Christmas Eve, I'm driving down my childhood streets, flooded by the memories of old friends and a running free. Coming out the cold, coming out the cold. From the sidewalk I feel the glow. Coming out the cold to Christmas at home. As a young man I flew away to chase my dreams for a better day. It's funny how passing time helps you realize maybe all I really need is behind that door waiting for me. Oh, the sweet simplicity of love and family. Christmas at home. Ring the doorbell and hold my breath. So close now, just